And as you can see, the Konjac Gum is an extreme thickener. So when I pour this out, it won't come out as a liquid, but a very thick liquid. And I do have to let this sit for about a minute or so before I start putting it into the water. And don't worry about the air bubbles, that's totally fine. But I do have some that I made. I have some simmering water, it's just plain water. And I'm going to just start putting them in. And if you want to, make certain size noodles, you can stop it. If you have an extruder and you're apt at using it, you could make elbow macaroni, things like that, all sorts of different shapes.
But once it has formed the gel and it's formed a noodle, it doesn't then kind of retain any of that stickiness. You can't make like a ravioli with it.
Yeah, you can't push it, together and make tortellini or whatnot. Okay. So yes, it will just be a sheet at that point. All right, so I'm just going to mix up these noodles here, just help them separate. Mm-hmm. These become nice flat noodles, right? So I'm going to push this right over into my bowl.
What's in the bowl?
So I have the Koji pork belly in there. I have our shirataki noodles, and then I have our beautiful quick ramen broth that you can pour right over the top. And you need something very strong when you're using these noodles because they're so bland. It's literally water and a thickening agent.
Yeah, but like even though it doesn't have any flavor of its own, the texture and it still has a really light, nice texture. So we don't say bland like boring, but I guess bland like no flavor of its own.
It does have a really nice kind of bouncy texture, especially if you're looking for something to replace that gluten or whatever in your, in your noodles. This makes a really great noodle.